So in recent years, people have tried out some newer ways of providing loans to the poor. The idea is to organize rural poor, in particular women, into small self-help groups, that is SHGS, and pool, that means to collect their savings. तो इसमें क्या क्या लोगों ने क्या सोचा कि एक नया तरीका बनाया जाए जिससे पुअर जो है उन लोगों को भी लोन्स आसानी से मिल सके। तो एक आइडिया बनाया गया जिसमें सब पुअर जो थे वो ऑर्गेनाइज होकर एक उन्होंने सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स बनाया, अपने आप को हेल्प करे, जिसमें सब लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा अमाउंट कलेक्ट करेंगे अपनी सेविंग से। अ टिपिकल SGH हैज़ एक जो अगर हम करेक्ट सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप बोले तो उसमें 15 से 20 मेंबर्स होते हैं, यूजुअली बिलोंगिंग टू वन नेबरहुड, who meet and save regularly. Savings per member varies from 25 to rupees 100 or more, depending on the ability of the people to save. तो यहाँ पर जो लोग सेव करते हैं सबके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, कोई 25 रुपीज़ कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट करता है, कोई 100 रुपीज़ कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट करता है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द देयर एबिलिटी। और ये जो सेविंग्स होती है वो एक जगह पर लाकर सब इकट्ठा कर देते हैं। सपोज देयर आर, for example, there are 5 members, this can give only 20 rupees, this can give 10 rupees, this can give 50 rupees, this can give 60 rupees, इस तरह से। तो ये यहाँ पर इकट्ठा होके एक लमसम हमारे पास बन जाता है। तो when we are going to the bank for the loan, तो we can give this full huge amount as a collateral है। okay, members can take small loans from the group itself to meet their needs. So these members can take small loans from the group itself to meet their needs. The group charges interest on these loans, but this is still less than what the money lenders charge. ये सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप भी इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करते हैं लेकिन वो उनसे कम होता है जो मनी लेंडर्स चार्ज करते हैं। After a year or two, if the group is regular in savings, it becomes eligible for availing loan from the bank. Loan is sanctioned in the name of the group and is meant to create self-employment opportunities for the members. तो लोन मिल जाता है अगर ये सारा लमसम अमाउंट बैंक को कोलेट्रल में दे देते हैं। जो लोन होता है वो किसके नाम पर मिलता है? ग्रुप के नाम पर मिलता है। सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप के नाम पर लोन सैंक्शन होता है इन द नेम ऑफ द ग्रुप। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, स्मॉल लोन्स आर प्रोवाइड टू द मेंबर्स फॉर releasing mortgage land, for meeting working capital needs. Working capital we have already discussed, that is buying seeds, fertilizers, raw materials like bamboo and cloth. Okay, for housing materials, for acquiring assets like sewing machines, handlooms, etc. These are the small things that they can purchase from the loans, or they can go on doing their business. Most of the important decisions regarding the savings and the loan activities are taken by the group members. तो हमें क्या लोन लेना है, कितना सेव करना है, these all are done together with all the members. The group decides as regards the loans also to be granted. The purpose क्या है, हमें लोन किस लिए लेना है, उसका अमाउंट कितना होगा, इंटरेस्ट कितना चार्ज हो रहा है, रीपेमेंट का शेड्यूल क्या होगा. These all things were discussed among the members of the group. Also, it is the group which is responsible for the repayment of the loan. So full group is responsible for repayment of the loan. Any case of non-repayment of loan by any one member is followed up seriously by other members in the group. अगर किसी कोई जिसने लोन दिया अगर वो नहीं देते तो अदर मेंबर्स इसको बहुत ही सीरियसली लेते हैं. Because of this feature, banks are willing to lend to the poor woman when organized in SHGS, that is self-help groups, even though they have no collateral as such. तो इस तरह से क्योंकि यहाँ पर पूरा ही ग्रुप इसके लिए लायबल होता है पेमेंट करने के लिए, तो बैंक्स आर रेडी टू पे द लोन टू सच सेल्फ-हेल्प ग्रुप्स. Thus, the self-help group help borrowers overcome the problem of lack of collateral. They can get timely loans for a variety of purpose and at a reasonable interest rate also, because they are going for the formal sector. Moreover, self-help groups are the building blocks of organization of the rural poor. Not only does it help women to become financially self-reliant, the regular meetings of the group provide a platform to discuss and act on variety of social issues such as health, nutrition, domestic violence. तो दिस सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप में ये सिर्फ वुमेन्स यही नहीं है कि वो लोन्स ले अपना काम करे, बट दे कैन बिकम सेल्फ रिलायंट, फाइनेंशियली सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट बन जाती है, और इन मीटिंग्स में वो अदर दूसरी बातें भी डिस्कस करते हैं, लाइक देयर हेल्थ इश्यूज, न्यूट्रिशन, डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस. This is the importance. See here one picture is given, a woman self-help group meeting in Gujarat. So they are doing this meeting, they are discussing the issues, what we should start, whether it required loans or not, these things. Grameen Bank of Bangladesh. So Grameen Bank of Bangladesh is one of the biggest success story in reaching the poor to meet their credit needs at reasonable rates. It was started in 1970s as a small project. Grameen Bank in October 2014 has over 8.63 million members and in about 81,390 villages spread across Bangladesh. So almost all of the borrowers are women and they belong to poorest sections of the society. These borrowers have proved that not only are poor women reliable borrowers, but that they can start and run a variety of small incomes generated activities successfully. So this was a Grameen Bank of Bangladesh. It was like self-help group. The women have started it in 1970 and now it was spread over to 81,390 villages. So here's, if credit can be made available to the poor only on terms and conditions that are appropriate and reasonable, these millions of small people with their millions of small pursuits can add up to create the biggest development wonder. अगर इन छोटे छोटे ग्रुप्स को हमने क्रेडिट देते तो they can also create wonders, they can also help in the development of our country. Now at last, the summary. In this chapter, what we have looked at the modern forms of money, how they are linked with the banking system. On one side are the depositors who keep their money and bank. On the other side gives the loans to the others. Economic activities requires loans for the credit. Credit, as we saw, can have positive impact or in certain situations make the borrowers worse off. कभी कभी क्रेडिट उनके लिए अच्छा भी होता है लेकिन कभी कभी बुरा भी हो जाता है, like debt trap. Credit is available from a variety of sources. These can be either formal or informal. Terms of credit are sustainable between formal and informal. Formal or informal make terms of credit are different. At present, it is the richer households who receive credit from formal households. Why? Because they are able to pay the terms of credit. Whereas the poor have to depend on the informal sources because no terms of credit, no documentation. So it is essential that the total formal sector credit increase so that the dependence on the more expensive informal credit becomes less. Also, the poor should get a much greater share of formal loans from the banks, cooperative societies, etc. So both these steps were important for the development of our country. So this is a summary.